one and only Digo Double.
Never mind, I'll find
Guy is a dead man walking.
Hey, Connor, don't Connor.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologise to absolutely nobody.
Guy
to Williams. It's now then some width. Shane Williams, always a buzz of excitement. Williams has scored.
Oh, hey, chicken. You never guess who I saw at the mall.
it was the eagle.
Hey, check this out, mate. I can bite me own toenails. Oh, mate, that is sick.
No. Look at you big fat pig. You never catch me.